This is a 24-inch Cyclematic geared head drill press. It has power down feed and auto reverse on that foot pedal, which you'll see in the video for tapping. It's kind of a copy of an Arboga, but really well made. Big heavy column that's 5.5 inches in diameter, 2 horsepower through a geared head, 4 Morse taper. So this is a heavy duty drill. The other thing that's nice, everything swivels and moves very easily, which I'll show you. This lock is for the table. This lock is for the swivel this way. This one is for the head this way. The table also rises and falls, and also so does the head. You have 2 speeds. Right now we're in regular mode. 1 speed, higher speed. This engages your feed. When it hits the lever, it'll trip out. Different speeds right here. It'll trip out in a sec. Out. We'll put it in the tapping mode. You can see it's spinning one way, a little faster tapping. Slow it down so you'll see better. You hit this foot pedal, automatically reverses. We'll put it in the low range for you. We've gone through all of them, they run well. Another range. Nope, that wasn't low. Just wait for low. Now we should be slow. There we go with the low RPM. Fully functional, everything working well. Really nice drill press. Thank you for watching.